About 2 black males, possibly armed. We got campus in the area.
8 Impact, are you guys on foot?
We in our car right now,
Yeah,
campus.
Trooper 2, I have eyes on it. It's slow rolling at 25, 30 miles per hour on 96 local lanes from Greenfield now.
96 from Greenfield. With a flat tire on 25 to 30 miles an hour.
Vehicles come to a stop.
Coming to a stop.
Vehicles rolling again. Continuing eastbound local lanes from Greenfield. Center lane about 35 miles per hour. And this is the same vehicle that struck our officer, correct?
That's 14.
Be advised, that vehicle just struck officer. I almost hit officer.
6-4 run here 96 and Evergreen to handle priority 1.
Alright, he just crashed out near Stansbury. Stansbury McNichols. Units are out with him now.
Crashed out Stansbury and McNichols. We got units out with them now.
I got one running eastbound on McNichols. I'm staying with him now. He's on the sidewalk running eastbound from the car. Come up to Leisure Street.
Major Street, one on foot, right, down Major Street.
Yep, units are right behind him right now.
Got units on them.
And they're taking that passenger into custody now.
Good job. Great job.